This is how work is done in the Britain. It's crazy, right? There's all this work. They've dug up. Of course, they fixed the road. As you come along, just there's a stop. Look. Huh? Look, all they've done is, where they dug out, they just did the letters whilst the other letters are faded out. Look. Because they're not paid to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. They're not paid to do the extra letters because it costs them their energy, their time, their... I don't know if... I mean, how could you see this? This is how the work ethics have become. Safety concerns, other policies, procedures, controls, measures. This is beyond explanation as to what and how the governments, the councils, the city councils, the board, road construction. It's absurd, absolutely absurd to see what... Of course, they dug it out. The letters got cut out. And they might as well just fill out the ones that they were responsible of. The rest is actually part of who? And this is how human beings behave on the planet. We've trained humans to actually conduct this way. Stop KBAY. What's that means? This is how the councils pay for the work, and the road workers actually do just what they're meant to do, and everything else is just this is beyond understanding. This is how human beings are trained to work. They're trained like animals. They're trained like cattle. They're trained like sheep. Just do what is been told to do. Nobody questions. They just carry on doing. To do the LOO over there would take them a whole life, I suppose, or probably cost £200 for each of these letters, and for the BOTH, for that to be posted or marked down on the floor. And then the W is completely wiped out, so I don't know what this really means for anyone looking. Horrendous.